everybody. This is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS, Gardens, and this is episode 101 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm kneeling right now. I'm going to show you why in a moment. Spring is already here. Central California Zone 9B. It's been here for about a week, really. Things are growing and things are pushing growth like crazy. So let me flip the camera around. Let me show you. This is my grapefruit plant, or tree, excuse me. It produced probably 150 grapefruits this year. See how much just dense fruit. I'm going to hand a lot of it out to neighbors. So what I'm showing you now is how I'm going to prune it this year. Every year I've had this like a dome and protect the trunk. But this year I pruned it out so I could look at the soil, because I can never, if there's an issue or scale or ants climbing up the tree, I can never see it. So now I can see it, and I'm going to maintain this. And also 60 or 70 grapefruit were just sitting on the floor. You know, I have to bend down to pick my fruit with these citrus trees. The Morrow blood orange is right here. But you can see for years I've had it open on the bottom. The grapefruit was a dome. So what I'm going to do now after, this video is I'm going to mix kaolin, clay, and diatomaceous earth. If I said kaolin correct, I'm not too sure. The face mask clay, and water and a little bit of soap. And I'm going to spray this trunk to protect it from the sun. So, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me zoom out again. That's what I'll be doing with this. There's the purple tree collard. Isn't that pretty? But that's what I'll be doing. So finally, open it up. And these trees are about almost 10 years old. Produce extremely productive. This is the Rio Red Grapefruit, the Morrow blood orange. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.